to fix if Chrome Media Player notification is not from the notification section. So if you want to fix Chrome Media Player notification is not going from notification drawer, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Chrome at first. So go with your Chrome browser. After opening your Chrome, now you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and go with your settings. Once you're on your settings, you will have this kind of interface. Now you need to just scroll down, and here you will have notifications option. Tap on notifications. From the notifications, if you've turned on your notifications, you need to just scroll down, and you will have playing media option. Tap on playing media, and under your playing media, if you have any notifications turned on under your playing media, you need to go and turn it off. Once you turn off your notifications from your playing media or from your Chrome browser, your Chrome media notification will be removed or it will be hidden. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.